Cryptocurrency arbitrage, a term that sounds complex but holds an ocean of untapped potential for anyone willing to dive in. It's like a digital treasure chest brimming with opportunities in the ever-evolving world of digital currencies. You see, as we navigate through the fourth industrial revolution, the relevance of cryptocurrency arbitrage has surged, becoming a hot topic among the tech-savvy and financially inclined. So, what's the buzz about? Well, it's about making money online, and not just a quick buck, but a consistent income stream. Sounds appealing, right? It should, because this trading strategy has become a go-to for many cryptocurrency enthusiasts. They've discovered the gold mine and are already reaping the benefits. Cryptocurrency arbitrage isn't just a fad, it's a viable, lucrative strategy that has the power to transform your financial future. With the right tools and understanding, cryptocurrency arbitrage can be your gateway to consistent online income. But what exactly is cryptocurrency arbitrage and how does it work? Well, at its core, cryptocurrency arbitrage is a pretty simple concept. It's all about exploiting price differences in different cryptocurrency markets. Imagine this: you're at a fruit market where apples are selling for $1 each, but across town there's another market where the same apples are selling for $2. So you buy a bunch of apples from the first market and sell them at the second one. The difference in price is your profit. That's arbitrage. In the world of cryptocurrencies, the same principle applies. You can buy a cryptocurrency at a lower price in one market and then sell it at a higher price in another. The markets here are cryptocurrency exchanges, and the apples are different types of cryptocurrencies. In essence, cryptocurrency arbitrage is about buying low and selling high, a basic principle that applies in every market. Now, you might be wondering, how can I start with cryptocurrency arbitrage? One of the first steps to delve into the world of cryptocurrency arbitrage is choosing the right cryptocurrencies and markets. It's like setting sail on a voyage. You need to know your destination before you can chart your course. Various factors come into play: the liquidity of the cryptocurrency, the volatility of the market, and the transaction fees, just to name a few. Also, consider the differences in prices across various exchanges. It's all about finding those golden opportunities where you can buy low on one exchange and sell high on another. Once you've chosen your cryptocurrencies and markets, the next step is having a reliable and fast trading system. Cryptocurrency arbitrage is a game of speed. Remember, the crypto market never sleeps. It's a 24-hour, 7 days a week hustle. You need a system that can keep up with this pace, execute trades quickly, and handle the high volume of data. Now, onto the third step: careful monitoring of market movements. It's not just about buying low and selling high, it's about understanding the trends, the patterns, and the fluctuations. It's about being able to anticipate the market's next move so you can be one step ahead. This requires constant vigilance and a deep understanding of the market dynamics. The fourth and final step is executing trades and managing risks. No matter how promising an arbitrage opportunity might seem, never forget that there's always a risk involved. Be prepared for unexpected market shifts and sudden price changes. Ensure you have a risk management strategy in place and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Remember, timing is everything in cryptocurrency arbitrage. Speed and accuracy can make all the difference in your profit margins. So keep these steps in mind and you'll be well on your way to mastering the art and science of cryptocurrency arbitrage. To wrap up, let's revisit the key points about cryptocurrency arbitrage. This intriguing financial strategy operates on the principle of capitalizing on price differences across various cryptocurrency exchanges. It's an attractive avenue for generating online income, bringing a unique blend of excitement and potential profitability. Now, remember the critical steps in this process. Careful market selection is paramount. It's all about identifying those sweet spots where price discrepancies occur. But it's not just about finding them, it's about acting on them swiftly. That's where fast trading systems come into play. Constant market monitoring is another crucial aspect. The crypto universe is always on the move, and to stay ahead, you must keep your finger on the pulse. And let's not forget about risk management. In the game of arbitrage, it's not just about making profits, but also about safeguarding your investments. Armed with this knowledge, you're now ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency arbitrage. Remember, the key to success is understanding, patience, and continuous learning. Happy trading!